So what a German Schmear actually is, it's very similar to a whitewash. What you're going to use is a white mortar mixed with water. So you're going to mix it so the consistency is about like a pancake mix or oatmeal. It's a little thicker. I like it thicker. A lot of it looks really great when it's just translucent, and that looks really good too. But for what I was working with and what I wanted to do, I like to have a thicker mortar. And you can see my grout lines are fairly heavily covered, but I did leave a little bit of the stone exposed. And downstairs is very similar. You'll see it's mostly all covered, but I did leave a little bit of the dark brick to show through. But you can do it in any way that you like. You can do it leaving a lot of the brick exposed. You can do it leaving very little brick exposed. It's entirely up to you. I really like the look of the German Schmear, like the old world kind of look to it, and it really just brightens it up. But this is how I've done it, and I'm going to take you with me outside. Yeah, show you how I do a German Schmear. Another little tip that I have for you before we head out there is if your mortar happens to dry, and you find that it's too thick and you would still like to expose a little bit more brick, what you can do is just take this steel brush and just go up to the mortar and just kind of like scrape it off. It'll expose more of the brick for you. You could try just using a little bit of sandpaper and that should work too. So you need a bucket of water and a sponge, so you can just go over and smooth it out and expose the brick as you go while it's wet. So hey, if you'd like to come along with me, we'll head out there and we'll get started on a German Schmear.
to the surface of whatever it is you happen to be working with. So today, so I thought I'd like to, hello. So today I thought I'd go over okay, never mind.